Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can copy your Wix website code. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. Go ahead and hover the mouse over the site you want to edit, and then go ahead and click on Select and Edit Site. After that, you're going to be here in your dashboard. Once you're here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find all of these sections, and in the bottom, you're going to find the option to Edit Site. Go ahead and click on Edit Site, and then you will be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for the tab to load, and then you're going to be right here in this page. So this is basically the editor for Wix. Right here in the top right, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to save the site, preview, and publish. So if you click on publish, here you're going to find the option to view site, view mobile site, and unpublish site. So make sure your site is published and then click on view site. Once you click on view site, you're going to be able to view your live site. And then if you want to see the code for the site, it's pretty easy. All you need to do guys is just right click on the site. And then right here, go ahead and search for view page source. Go ahead and click on this option. And then you will be redirected to this tab right here. And as you can see guys, this is the code for the page. As you can see guys, right here is HTML. So right now just copy the code and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.